Charlie. What's up, Bokwama? What's up, Nzema? I even fancy Charlie.
What do you think you are doing? Who is this?
Mama, the
It's okay, darling. What do you want? You had better get out of this room and back downstairs straight away. I don't
Saki.
to you anymore. Yes, you do.
Hi. You took my key away. Where are I with the fumble? Oh, Charlie. I can make a hotel house. Wait, Charlie. I know my guy, we come up by the way. You can pick my Charlie everywhere. Tenak, I think. So, yeah, we Tenak, okay. Sure. Today, you live in 101, isn't it? Beautiful place. I love Tenak Hotel. I love Tenak Hotel. Every Tenak Hotel. I love Tenak Hotel. I just finished performing and I feel like, isn't it? I have to go out and make the fans to feel me small. Like that, is it? How's that, you know? The fans, they have to feel me small. Because from the stage, the people just drove me to the room, say, me shower, and I'm in fresh cancer. They say, sweet BP, and I was there. But Grandma was like, I miss you, I miss you. But at the same time, I'm promised to be free time, I'm going to drop my fire, and then promise to ride here. I'm going to drop it. It's because of this show, I'm here, I'm right here. But I love Tenak Hotel, that's why they show you around here. There, who is that? Yeah. Yo, my DJ is here, Charlie. He's chilling, is here. DJ chilling, my DJ is here, isn't it? Also, in your mallet movie. I am offered by I did with my DJs with the do one hour shit like that. This after they show this. Tell the guys they can't pick them a bag. Okay. But now I'm not free to read that shit. Oh, why? But me, I never come here plus then why say if I can disturb my privacy. Why? Charlie, they hear me Tenak Hotel. If you Tenak, Charlie, environment, you know. Charlie.
Everything makes sense.
Charlie. Showing the boy, fancy now. Oh, make man rest. Some of the boy them so they can't they show they can't yard them my body. Some of the boy them they can't yard them my body for the shoot up. You know we talk much. If you talk now, we they give them hype. They want to start to talk about then you say they could take some. Advantage then they go take flesh them my body say. So me I say they can't they show safe. They can't stand there. I don't know say Charlie, I'm in Casapi. But always they did this mankind. I don't mind themselves. Charlie is my artist now. I am Moboshona Munjiska. I believe so. I got freedom from cover free free shows. I'm in the telepathy poster and I said, I believe so. But be sure I'm mad that cover free. Okay. It's me, just anybody.
Where born well, what?
I Bokom the English is Charlie, you know me now. Boko fans more. Nyamani had my son in a release a new one. You release a new one. More, you did one music. And I'm a WhatsApp profile now, other loud music. Oh, I drop I think Sunday. I did my perform Rampura that day. Like I think Mabo, if first played by Rampura Beach Kenny. So me fans more Charlie. The Rampura Anoma take away free. Become a Miss Anoma. It seems maybe my post video and the next day that will be Tuesday. I think Mafia coming to be but me will cover full app or cover free Borko TV YouTube because I'm Ghana. That my YouTube channel flat like I'm gonna care the copies and but my problem on me with me fans like sometimes say ebeni me posting here after you like you have to comment because there's the reason why more I comment here I like here why did you like the thing the stuff then you take I like it here then you show me the reason for you liking it you understand so after you like you just try to write something let me see your mind either good or bad is your comments are welcome you understand because but you understand just like some people but they just want to be themselves hypocrite way Charlie we those kind of life you know give it a fucking chance you understand it but big up to my team big up to everybody but big up to all the Nzema rappers the Nzema artists you are doing a great job yeah obi all the yeah I'm here with my DJ chilling my belly yeah I can't call it 10 account yeah chilling like that after the show this I don't know the Amy what I hit
It's not me, you know me.
that one
Come down me. Malodies, right? Come on, send them in
El rough my excuse me oh my El rough pay
other soon.
no some that means like we hit his room with them all are sinking it yeah that was me yeah my brother yeah mum jack abo mum Maria it press there that only it's all bad you know you know but all the same life is good life is good when you live it just love the life you live and live the life you love like that okay live the life you love and love the life you live let me put it like that yeah so Timbokwama I mean I do my Sunday and you better release new one that is music yeah you better release music you better like a freestyle yeah right there you need to I can mean Vodafone network but like I really live all the same in my year, my post on whenever this is what happened. Unfortunately, showing performance in it, like Bangladesh video be about mommy, but many video be mom like media post more. Yeah, because calling really late, but you have to pass through because some big business behind the show, but really, yeah, your team members in you have to come and then help them. You see me? That's why we came. So the fans be my problem. Fans motive, you have to try as much as possible to reach every corner. More fans more back on the like you take a risk in the area. So all this big up to the fans who were able to make it here's then I could tell us I said Charlie Barra I kill fine with Michelle my video work here. Minili pale yam. Minili so this your boy Borko bling and number Fabel the grandmaster. Yeah, mom like Sunday coming. Yes, Sunday come on the 29th. Moya Korampura, I'm releasing my new sound. You say music. But I think me IG now on me look at but when you first and then my name release well, release a short video IG face. Yeah, so I think but like me fans being all me social media handles more so. I think with them say if Facebook about YouTube then. Oh, Charlie Bemia, others a small buy body. Yeah, it then nobody did it for us, you understand? It aiming like when they keep pushing his man to the world, you understand? I can engage your KB new day came. My friends about international. You know, and it's every say come only be the we say go free. Come and come out friends my international now. You say ah, na me no come and come like international. That is not my own. Coming from Mama can come from my international developer. Coming from Mama, you can have but I don't believe I don't believe you can do. So we just want them to do that thing. You can come from with your currency man. You understand? Name's Mamma bet your book. Because England's and team about who's creating Zania. I can't hear about the about right. So on what do you do? At it, oh, the cat, you're okay, near Flare. Eliongama, fans will be moving. One easy. So yeah, like you perform then or keep scatter because really the last item above the stage, you know. But my advice to those things my artists more service or you know more especially more mobile phone one me phone one like excuse me um those me phone one day but you know I'm gonna kill about house remote most of the times already too much and me I reacted then so that the people will just respect the brands more. But me came on money ball like people are not grateful but all the same in a surround. Yeah, so I'll just keep doing what I know is best for me. And a lot of you guys are calling me for collaborations. I don't know why, but the only reason me I know is say you need my attention to become artist. Then after that you become ungrateful to me. Yeah, that is it. Most you know we say one person now. I go fit show you some chat, plenty chats, plenty messages. Say everybody just want to put me on his song, and I'm cool. I can be on your summer my would join any other but first okay will the song benefit me? Will that song I'm doing will it benefit me? First say I'm wrong boy branding yeah. I don't think I have to go in for that. And yeah for first thing minimum in Misa will squawk for collaboration or I don't have time for that thing say but if the song will not benefit me if after recording with you I will not feel anything you not feel like you get sense past me. I think I'll do but if I see like it be really my attention you need to become a T then lyrically I'm a pension. You see me? So let us be kind to ourselves. Let us be loyal to ourselves, you see me? Because loyalty in here say you clear when you're there. I think that's the best way, the best way to move this industry because at the end of the day, you push one flag in Nzema to international, is that not it? So why hate? Why is upon? Why disrespecting? Why that I'm like this and this Charlie man? Let's forget all this shit. So they are let me push the game in harder. Because me dream now they came more bahalo come on with your kenzimeno. Mama buffalo dragon is who has years of kenzima. You to you say you think it's impossible. Yes, I know 99% you know it's impossible. Yes, but me, I know it's possible. You understand? Yes. But me, I said I had a dream and so the day I would die is dog your vision. You understand? So yeah, that's my point of view. Me them came out like you understand. So you can doubt me, but me that's the dream. We just want to push the language there. So we projecting it each and every corner by you could find the minimum like if you are from us tell you can make it. Oh yeah man. You about ya nzani but you know ojuwali kamo ye nyane ni ah tekele bofle ti mto bofle jwana mamo efele madwins me jwana mamo that is it. Yeah man, that is it. Oh so much small we won't clear by didi ake yen bala kanzman e kan nzamla kanzman so dia bo bete akola walinzi. Oh that so jare bo kwama ya me feel me fans mutu my most at time when come time is na me between the one on one Chairman have time. I mean, we're thinking, I mean, discuss, but like, what do you feel about the brand? What, whoa, kissing movement, like how my people like kissing like how do you feel? Because more I think last 2 years, I mean, drop audios or WhatsApp, I mean, drop tracks, more, because mom, in your street news, right? It has all be on the internet. Muti access to the internet. Muti since last 2 years, me fast mobile street news like ben conversant with my songs me last year to this year. I think ben shada ben zibe pale. Yeah or the he internet promo then online downloading and stuff like so but mbazala mi team ke wara madre na ya drop audios after cable release ya drop uzani audios for WhatsApp and by the way me as well be about banya bi I think that is what I'll plead my team to do for my fans but at the same no so any like problem be about the brand and like any suggestion be coach Ali what if like this and you see yeah your suggestion, your comment, your everything are accepted. Welcome. What you see because we be film. The if you say like the Bob Brabe before, if you say any my that is it because we listen to those who have walked the walk and those who have talked the talk. Yeah. So if you bring your comment and it's like it's from those who have talked the talk, you to be accepted. But I just that is the positive people. That is what I meant. So I think my fan base name about me almost 99% of my fans are positive. Only in the 1% negative, there are those people who are hypocrites. You understand? They just join the team to come and just watch. Be more hamo basan be collaboration kwa na ma be stamu ya na ma be deseme. Ebi kura me na me twira mo nyoma mo. O be musician kura me na me mo musician. But na mo ni me gina stage am pese me na me pre mic. But me no medium vam so there bo. Medium vam. Yeah man. So of late many about boy remember from collaboration and from this is the reason why because after getting my hype then people figure say you go past me. Then you go sit at your corners, then you go tell people see you the rap past me. You the rap past me. Why you not do your song alone? Yeah. You rap past me because I don't care. But still need my attention to become artist. You want me to show it to the people. Is that not it? Charlie, no, you know. Why they say me fans more? I mean, I dey check everybody. Why they feel everybody movement? In the enemies go 10 lovers. You understand? Yeah, man. The enemies go 10 lovers one day. It be so. It's much international. Be dream come true. Go happen. Don't doubt it. You understand? Don't doubt it. It go happen live. So all my team supporting me. One day boys go chop. Yeah, man. Check out. I see you. Obama 32. Yeah, man. I see you. Obama 32. I see you. Oh, Ejaka Kugigore. A Greek man. Was I see you. 1909 movement, yeah man, get to youth star. Hey, wow, man. I see, yeah man. I see everybody. I see movies, yeah. My brother sound engineer. I see Ebu Kofi, yeah man. Never one like Jindi, but tautology could be Ebu Kofi. Yeah man, I see Ebu Kofi. Like I see my good man them. I see my bad man them. I see everybody. Yeah, man, you understand? Everybody's welcome to my page. Make sure when you're commenting, you comment positive, you understand? Because only the positive people are allowed to comment on this page, man. So diable. Yeah, so yeah, Charlie, Kofi Mars, what's up? I see you, Kofi Mars, I see you. The fans more, but on it. I think Sunday, me drop a track, come here Monday, my post. My fans, my journal, my fans, muti, me who look at a be about drop a Nikki on my page now. Me post in here, o nickname ni, o do man, me could at you, yeah, wahale okay. Yeah man, wahale me comment that man because if only 3 people self comment, I will use the 3 people to do the song. Then I know like they are my real fans, man. Most of them can 4,000 people from my account because they play no role. They don't like my stuff. They don't comment. Some of them say they don't watch, and I don't care. Then what is the purpose for you to be on my page? You don't watch my stuff, you don't comment, you don't like, you don't show anything. Like, wow, I don't need you, man. I'll fucking delete those people. You understand? Yeah, man. I just want to build my fan base in a positive. I don't want any negativity in my side. No, I don't like that thing. Maybe so. So big up to all my fans, big up to everybody. My big men is behind me. Everybody, Charlie, break my board, my bangbe, my will be as me get kula man no yeah, me colleagues more, me mates more, me seniors more. I understand me, yeah man. Big up to everybody, big up to everybody, big up to fans, Bokwama, and big up to my all in DJ chilling here.